That's what Dizzy said.
Man, I hate cough syrup. 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 Cough syrup is yucky and that is bad. When I have to drink it, it makes me sad. When I have to drink cough syrup, I want to throw up. One time I saw a cough syrup store and I blew it up. I'd rather pour bleach into my eyes than have to drink cough syrup. If you like cough syrup, I don't like you. I don't like cough syrup, but I like Caillou. Drinking cough syrup isn't fun. If I catch you drinking cough syrup, you better run. Back in my days as a hoodlum, if they caught you drinking cough syrup, you were done. One time I saw a guy drinking cough syrup, so I took the bottle and poured it on his head. Man, I hate cough syrup. 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 I really don't like cough syrup. I don't like cough syrup. Cough syrup is bad, and it's yucky. I used to put cough syrup in my cereal. I didn't like the taste of cough syrup in my cereal. One day I started drinking milk with my cereal, and it tasted better than cough syrup with my cereal. I hate cough syrup. 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 I hate cough syrup.